Yes, hello guys. Okay, this is what. So guys, actually, I wanted to film about this street food. This Indian street food, but I didn't get time. So I just got it now. Even my battery, my camera battery is getting down. But Lenny Home is going to do us the best to film this. So this is kebab pao.
Yeah,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
So guys, actually here is night. So right now, what is the time?
What is time?
What's the time right now?
Time now India time 8
p.m.
8 p.m. Yeah.
8 p.m. in the night.
Yeah, in Mumbai.
In Mumbai, yeah.
Yeah.
So I need to test this kebab pao.
Kebab pao, egg
Kebab
pao,
pao.
masala pao,
Yes.
masala dosa. Yeah.
No, masala dosa.
No
is okay.
masala dosa.
This
No
one,
masala
in
dosa.
Sakinaka.
Where is kebab pao? Is this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kebab pao, egg pao.
Egg pao. This is what?
Chicken pao.
Chicken pao. Then this is pao. This is pao.
Yeah.
Shami kebab, shami kebab.
Okay. So I need this. I need the kebab pao. I need to test. You make for him.
कल वीडियो देखा
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Your names?
My name is Vasan.
Vasan.
VASANT Vasan.
Okay. You stay here within?
Yes, I stay here in Asra dormitory.
Okay.
Yeah, this time
That's
you-
good. That's good. Your name, please.
I am good too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Indian man.
Indian man.
Yes.
India is good.
Yeah, India is good.
Wow.
Good
Oh.
country.
Wow. And we have this one.
Hi bro,
Yes. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah. Welcome. Today we want to test kebab pao.
Yeah, try this kebab. It's very good.
Oh yeah, it's very good. Yeah. Have you ever tested this?
Yeah,
Okay. How is the test?
yeah, taste is good. You can try it.
Okay. That's good. Your name?
My name is Vijay.
Vijay. Okay. Good man. So guys, we are here.
ये नहीं
Where is it?
बताइए.
So you make it. So guys, this is actually how they make it. This is it.
Yeah. This is it.
Okay. This is the kebab power.
This is
Okay.
kebab pao.
So you put here. Wow.
Kebab pao.
Wow.
Yeah.
So guys, this is it.
This is it. Eat. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat this.
Yeah.
You see?
Oh,
Yeah.
eating. Yeah.
Eating.
Yeah, eating.
Yeah. Eating.
Yeah.
Yo.
One bite. One bite.
One bite now. Suit me.
Yeah. I will show you.
Yeah, this is one bite. So I'm gonna eat. This is kebab pao.
Kebab pao. Oh, very superb.
Very super, guys. It's so nice. So it's actually how they make it, yeah? So this is egg. This is also egg.
Egg powder.
I need to test this. I need to test. Actually,
You need.
yeah.
Okay.
It's super
Please,
sweet,
bro.
bro.
Give to.
हाँ. पेपर में डाल.
Okay? Okay. Mr. BMG.
Channel name.
After this video, I will give you channel name, okay? You want to say something?
No, I don't.
Say something on the camera.
Subscribe. I can't say subscribe. Subscribe. You told.
Okay.
Tell him subscribe.
Yeah, you will subscribe. Yeah, it's okay. Namaste.
Namaste.
So guys, here.
इधर घुमा.
Yeah.
बना रहा है ना. अंडा पाव का डालना है.
This is the egg. Egg one.
पहले अंडा पाव.
This is at night right now. This is night. Yeah, okay?
अंडा पाव बिकेगा. एक अंडा पाव. या ब्रो.
This is what?
No.
The same.
I will also eating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. That's good.
Yeah.
एक पाव का अंडा देना. ये वाला ना. नाम लोकेशन चैनल मिस्टर बीएमपी.
Wow.
अभी लाइव
This is
आएगा
what? Egg.
एक पाव
Egg paw.
एक पाव
Egg paw.
या ई डबल जी एक
Egg.
Yeah.
Egg. Anda.
Egg,
अंडा
yeah.
अंडा अंडा अंडा
So guys, I'm going to taste this also. Remember, they are buying for me. Look at this. Imagine. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
या
So it's so good.
या गुड गुड कितना खा रहा आप परमिट हम कर कस्टमर
So guys, I was gonna pay it, okay? Don't take photo, okay? See there. Come on. It's good. Very good. So you work here? So yeah, subscribe.
It is your channel.
Good.
It is your.
Good. It's good?
हमारा परसों का वीडियो है कल आएंगे
So guys, this actually the eggs. This is the eggs they have. It's very quiet. I don't know in your country or in your area which kind of eggs. I think this is chicken eggs, but it's white. You know, it's white. Okay, now so this is bread. Yeah, this is bread.
एक पाव ना
Bread, the one they just make with
तीन
it.
मांगी थी
So
तीन पंद्रह
bread, you can open for me this. So look at the spices and this one.
चलो
Very good. Very good. So you can see.
टेस्टी टेस्टी
Okay.
तीन ना
So everything you need to know.
पचास
Good. Yeah.
पचास
Okay.
500 दिए
Okay, wait.
आप पैसे हो गया तो
अंडा राइस है क्या अंडा राइस एक राइस तो
You want to drink a tea? Tea, please come. He is a tea shop owner. Tea shop owner.
Where is making tea? Where?
He want to make the video with you. Drink your tea.
you can go this side you can person you know
Okay.
tea
So guys, this is the kebab part.
kebab pav you come here you
Kebab part. This is egg part, and then this is chicken part. This is chicken part. So these are
चिकन
the
पर ये
street food.
चाखना है देखना है चखना है
These
होता
are the
क्या
street
है
food, guys. Okay. So good, so good. So it's okay. We are still roaming in the street, guys. So my mom, we are roaming the street. Actually, I wanted to make a video on this, but I searched all around. I could not get, you know, I searched everywhere. I could not get the kebab power. So I was just coming. I was just getting into my hotel. And then I see. Hello? Hi. You want to say something? You okay? You work at night, garage. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. They work at night. So this is actually a garage. I'm filming at night. Yeah. So by the grace of God, I managed to get myself a light so I can film every time, and then I give you good content. So this is also a street food, you can see. What is the name of this? This is what? Pani puri. So this is pani puri. I will come and have it, okay? Now, so some guy invited me for tea. So I know, yeah, it's okay. They invited me for tea. Remember, guys, everything is just free here. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Mohammed Soleh.
Mohammed Swale.
What's your name?
My name is Nelson.
You're from?
South Sudan.
South Sudan.
Yes,
What are you
South
doing
Sudan.
here?
YouTube. I do
I
vlog.
have tea.
I wanna have
Special
tea.
tea.
Yes, I
Special
wanna
tea.
have tea. Remember, guys, this guy is
Nagori
going for
special
me
tea. He's
everything.
the owner of the shop.
He's the owner.
He is the Muhammad
Thank you.
Raza.
Thank you.
Welcome, Muhammad Raza.
So guys, you can see people are very many here. They are coming.
He's the owner.
So this is the tea.
Tea. Special tea. Nagori
Special
tea.
tea.
Rajasthani.
Wow. He's making for me the tea. You can see.
Have a tea.
This is the tea.
Sit here.
Wow, so great. So guys, this is actually how they make the tea. You can see. Yeah, this is how they make the tea. All of everything here is just gas. You know, they cook with the gas. Everything they do here with the gas, you know, is very good. And then they actually get for me this. So I'm gonna be having tea here. It's remember for free. What's up? Thank you. Namaste. Good. Just good. So everyone is just looking at me. So it's good. We're going to take the tea. So thank you guys. So you can see everyone. Hello. People are coming. Everyone is here.
What again? What do you want?
No. Why are people very many like this?
Hey, go from here. Go here.
No, leave them. So it's giving me this.
This is toast.
Thank you.
This is called toast.
This is called what?
Toast.
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 Okay.
Chai toast. Famous Indian chai toast.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good. So you work here?
No. He's the owner of the shop.
Okay.
Friend.